Hi, this is Naval Panuli and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to file income tax returns using the income tax website. So firstly, we need to understand who has to file the income tax returns. So whoever gross annual income is more than 2.5 lakhs, you need to file the income tax returns. The key documents that you need to have to file the ITR returns are Form 16, Bank Statement, Form 26AS, Investment Summaries, Insurance amounts that you have paid, loan, AIS. So filing is actually not uploading any documents. These are only for references and cross verification. Two important documents that you can get from the income tax login are Form 26AS and AIS. So what is Form 26AS? So this has a complete details of all the deductions that anyone has done, TDS, basically tax deducted at source. So you are basically your employer or whoever has done it, this is going to reflect all the amounts here. AIS, Annual Information Statement. This provides taxpayers a complete view of all the financial transactions that you have carried during the financial year. AIS is information such as your bank interest, dividend that you have received, security transactions, basically shares transactions, mutual fund transactions, and any foreign remittance information. So yes, so now let's just jump into the actual filing of income tax returns. So usually what we do, we just go and in Google we type income tax filings, right? So just type income tax filings, then you will see the income tax e-filing portal. Click on the File ITR. You have an option, just click on the File ITR. Then to log in, you can use your PAN or your Aadhaar. For first time users, you can register with a PAN number. So basically a PAN number is like your user ID. So once you have logged in, and now you need to click on the File Now. So you have an option called File Now, you have to click on this. And you have to select current assessment year, right? The year you're currently doing, you need to select current assessment year. Next, you need to click on Start Now, Start New Filing. So today we'll learn how to file income tax returns for individuals using the ITR Form 1. So who can file the ITR 1? People who have a salary of less than 50 lakhs, they can file the ITR 1. Along with this, people who also have a rental income, but just one rental income, they can also use the Form 1 of ITR. The next step for most of us use it is taxable income is more than basic exemption limit. So this is the option that you can select. And the major steps in filing the ITR are validating personal information, then confirming your gross total income, and then confirming total deductions. Right? So verifying how much tax you have already paid and if you receive any refund or if you have to pay any additional tax. So first step is to verify personal information. So just go through all the personal information and confirm what income tax department have, whether it is correct, or you can input the relevant details. So next is to confirm gross total income under the section. Firstly, we need to confirm the salary exemptions. So salary exemptions can be something like a house rent allowance, leave travel allowance, and others. Once this is done, people who are having house property, rental of house property, you can also enter in this section as well. And then you have a different section called as income from other sources. So here you will see dividend interest from savings bank account. So these numbers will be mostly pre-filled in the new income tax portal. However, you need to cross-check these numbers with the documents. Next is deductions and various sections which comes here. So deductions are like your ATC, ATCCD, ATD, ATE. So these are some of the common ones. So kindly check your Form 16 and review the numbers. And those who have not declared in the Form 16, you can enter the amount here. And whatever you enter, based on this, you might receive a refund. And the income tax authorities might even come back to you just for a re-clarification on that. Next is to verify your tax paid details. Here you will see all the taxes that you have already paid. So for salaried employees, mostly it is already paid. Next is to verify your tax liability details. Here you will get to know if you have any pending tax that you need to pay or if you will get any refund. For most of the salaried, it is no tax that is pending, as all deductions and everything would be already done. Next is to preview and submit the returns. Here you will have a pre-filled certain details, and some details will be missing, right? You need to enter that. Post this, it will calculate if you have any refund or if you have to pay any taxes. And like I said, in most of the cases, there will be nothing, right? So if you have any pending taxes that based on this calculation, right? So before paying, you will get a breakup of the pending taxes, which will include interest, penalties, and others. So next is the final step. It is e-verification step. So be little aware that without this step, it is considered as the filing is not completed. The best way to e-verify is by Aadhaar, OTP, or your bank account login. So yes, once this is done, your job ends here. So keep checking the income tax portal, or you can check your email, which is linked to your PAN, right? Just to check the status of your income tax return, because certain times they might even ask some documents to you, and you need to make sure that you reply on time. It's usually they give you around 30 days to reply. So you may receive after a few days an email which says intimation under section 143(1). This means that your ITR has successfully processed and you have done for that particular financial year. This was only for educational purposes, right? So please consult a tax expert if you have any queries. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have liked this video, please subscribe. Until next time, keep smiling and happy simplifying. Thank you.